Hello there. Today we will learn how to split PDF and get PDF with specific pages we need online. Here is a PDF of 10 pages, you can see. I need from page 4 to page 8. So let's do it. Come to Google. Search for I love PDF. Here, the second one. Split PDF. Simply upload the PDF file. If you go to fixed range, all the pages are shown. So, I need page 4 to page 8. Here 4 ends at 8. Now click on Split PDF. The new split PDF is ready to be downloaded. Yes, the PDF has 4 pages only as I wanted. So this is how you can simply split your PDF files online and get the new PDF file. Hope you liked it. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.